I found a plug! Keep going, come on, I found a plug!
You have one with you?
Yeah.
Damn.
Just fouled like my 4th plug in 10 hours. After getting 100 hours on the bike without fouling a plug. I have no idea why it's happening. I was actually planning on doing a review of this bike, a 100-hour review video of this bike here soon. But my opinion might be changing. It's wild. I've done this so many times. I've gotten good at it, which is sad. I'm getting gas from the same place I always get gas. Yep. Fouled as could be. Like a couple miles from the truck too.
Every time.
Almost done with our ride. I have noticed that it really only happens after a long downhill. And I try to clear my bike out, but I'm trying to rush so we can go paddleboard on Crescent Lake today. Should be a good time. All right, fresh plug in.